Today, let's make a leather key fob cover for this Nissan key fob. Prepare 2 pieces of leather and dip it into the water. Put both in the molding plates for front and back side. Compress the molding plates with some C-clamps. Okay. Now the molding process is done, take these leather pieces out. Use professional leather dye for dyeing process. Dip the wool brush inside the leather dye bottle. Brush the dye on the leather evenly and smooth. Also dye the other piece, too. After you finish the dyeing, let them dry for at least 8 hours. Now both leather pieces are dried. Apply the fixative solution on the leather. This process helps protecting the leather color for a long time. Cut the buttonholes with special knife for leather work. You need to focus and cut the lines accurately. Use a punching round blade to cut a hole for the logo. Cut the opening on the leather piece. This will let your key slide inside the cover. Repeat this process with other piece, too. Punch the loop hole on both pieces with special punching blade. This will create a loophole to fasten the key fob cover with a strap. Apply gum on those edges and sand them. After you've done the sanding, apply edge paint to those edges. Edge paint need at least an hour to dry completely. Be patient till the edge paint dry. Punch the stitching holes with chisel and hammer. You need to punch the holes accurately, otherwise the stitching holes won't be even. Repeat this process with other piece, too. Apply glue on the backside of the leather pieces. Try to do it evenly and smooth. To combine 2 pieces with glue properly, put the key fob inside. This will help the cover glue perfectly before the glue dry, which making the cover hard to fix any error. Stitch the leather cover. This will be a time-consuming process, so be patient. Cut the excess leather of the key fob cover. Wet the edge and sand it. Again, this is a time-consuming process, so be patient. Keep sanding till the edge becomes smooth. Apply the edge paint on the edge carefully. After you've finished, let the paint dry for at least an hour again. Cut an leather strip and then apply the edge paint on it. This is for making the fastening strap for the cover. Punching holes for installing the clip and click button. Remember to screw the click button tightly. Punch a hole on the other end of the strap for fastening function. Install the fastening strap and the cover can be used now. Thank you for watching.